In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a notebook in NotebookLM and interact with it effectively. NotebookLM is a fantastic tool available online that allows you to organize, interact with, and generate content from your documents. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves to keep things organized, this tool could be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and learn how to get started with your very own NotebookLM. To begin with, you'll want to access the NotebookLM platform. Simply head over to notebooklm.google.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. This is important because NotebookLM uses your Google account to manage your files securely and efficiently. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one first. But if you do, just sign in and you're ready to go. Now that you're in, it's time to create a new notebook. On the main screen, you should see an option that says Create New Notebook. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a pop-up window, and this is where things start to get interesting. You'll see an option labeled Upload a Source. This is your gateway to personalizing your notebook with your own materials. In this step, you'll select the files you want to upload. You can choose from various file types such as PDFs, Google Docs, websites, or even audio files. This versatility allows you to bring together all your resources in one place, making it easier to synthesize information. Just remember to choose the files you frequently interact with or need for your projects, as this will make your notebook a true reflection of your needs. Once you've uploaded your sources, it's time to interact with them. NotebookLM offers a unique feature called the Chat panel. This is where you can ask questions or give instructions based on the sources you uploaded. Say you want a quick summary of a dense article, or perhaps you're curious about a specific section of a report. Just type your query into the Chat panel and let NotebookLM do the heavy lifting for you. Additionally, the Studio panel is another powerful feature where you can generate various outputs. Whether you need audio overviews for on-the-go learning, visually stimulating mind maps, or comprehensive reports, the Studio panel has got you covered. Not only that, but you can also create flashcards for study sessions or even generate quizzes to test your knowledge on the topics at hand. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up your NotebookLM and learned how to interact with it in ways that best suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more features that this robust tool has to offer. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.